Hey guys, Clayton here with Hutch Mountain Propane Conversions, and you are looking at a brand new Honda EU2000i. Now it is equipped with one of our propane conversion kits. If you purchased a brand new generator in 2017, there is a potential defect with the spark plug boot. In May of 2017, we realized that there was an issue. We discussed it with Honda, and since they have narrowed down the models affected by serial number. So that's really helpful, and we'll post those up for you as well. Some of the symptoms are going to be a rough idle, it backfires, it's hard to start, it runs for a few seconds and shuts down, you put it under load and it doesn't want to run. As you know, we're always here to help you out. Okay, we're going to show you the quick fix to get you up and going, as well as post Honda's official bulletin on this and show you their recommended repair. Reach in and pull your spark plug cap assembly off. And I'm going to show you with another unit here just so I can get up close to the camera. But the actual issue itself comes from the little metal ring inside is not making good connection with the spark plug. And so when it's inside, it's loose and it's vibrating around, and you're just not getting the spark in there that you need. And as many of you may know, with alternative fuels, you need a really good clean spark for efficient operation. Now you may or may not need to take the boot off. We're going to go and do that just so you can get a better look. And sometimes these guys are stubborn. So just take your screwdriver and just work it around a little bit. Stretch that rubber out. And then it should just twist right off just like that. So here's your little metal ring inside that makes contact with the spark plug. And what I like to do is you'll see a little slit in the ring itself. And just take your screwdriver on one of the sides of that slit and just go ahead and twist and tweak that guy in. Now it doesn't have to be a lot. You can see I didn't do a whole lot of modification there, but just enough that when that spark plug slides back in, it's going to cinch around that plug and give you better conductivity. Okay, here is Honda's recommended fix. So essentially they just want you to replace this whole cap assembly, and it's fairly easy to do. You've got another rubber boot. Just kind of reach under this screwdriver, stretch your rubber out a little bit, and that should help assist in taking this off. You can just kind of roll it back and pull it off. Now to remove the cap itself, it's fairly easy. Just grab the wire tightly and turn counterclockwise, and you're going to kind of have to bust that loose, and then it will freely come off. Once this guy is off, you just put a new cap, it screws back on. You can pick these up on our website, hutchmountain.com. So you put your new guy back on. Just make sure you cinch it down well so you got good connection again. Like that. Push on your boot. And put it back on your spark plug. You're good to go. All right, congratulations. You made the change. Your generator's running good. One last thing we want to show you are these Iridium spark plugs. Now, this is not a necessity, but it's something we love the heck out of, and I'll show you why. These Iridium tips, a lot of our aviation customers use them in their planes. They need reliability for good reason when they're up in the sky, but it takes less energy to jump a spark from that Iridium tip up to the top as it does. As you can see, your stock plug is a lot fatter here, and it allows your alternative fuels to run better. Now, some of the conversion kit companies out there, they're going to tell you to take your spark plug and gap it down really far. This allows you to keep the stock gap and still have a really good strong spark without gapping that plug down. So anyways, those are available on our website, hutchmountain.com. That's it, guys. Go ahead and put your cover on. Go have some fun. You know we're here to support you if you got any questions. Thank you so much.